What is it on? Is it on? Is it on? Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's Judy here, back again with another video, and today we're going to be doing something people always ask me about. People always ask me, how do I renew my Canadian study permit? And I always have to basically FaceTime them, Skype them, tell them the instructions, tell them what to do. So today basically I want to make a video that addresses everybody's issues once and for all. So let's get into the video. Alright, the first thing you want to do is basically check for your eligibility. Yeah, the Canadian government asks you different questions basically to check if you are able to apply for the study permit, or if it is time for you to even apply for the study permit yet. They basically ask normal questions, so you don't need to lie about anything, because these questions affect you in the long run, so you have to tell them the truth now so you don't have any problems in the long run. At the end of the day, you get the GCE key, which leads us to the next step, where you have to create an account or sign into your account if you already have one. When you sign in, you have to put the GCE key. The GCE key generates everything you already filled in the eligibility form. Yeah, you see why it is important. It generates everything, so now you just need to upload documents and everything. The first document you will need to upload is the general document, where they ask you general things about your work, your school, every single question you think the government should be asking you when it comes to you going to their country or studying their country or entering their country. Any question you think that they will ask, that form is going to address all those questions. Any problem you guys encounter, you guys can ask me in the comment box below, or you can email me and I'll be able to do as much as I can to help you guys. The next thing you want to do basically is to upload the forms. First, you upload the normal form, the general form where you ask your general questions. Second, you upload your data page for your passport. Everybody has to do that. You upload your data page for your passport. I'll show you a picture of one if you guys are not seeing one. Next thing, you need to upload a digital photograph of yourself. Always take a recent picture, maybe 2 months ago, 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago, a very recent picture of yourself, and make sure it's in the passport format or the passport size so they don't send it back to you. You also want to provide proof of funds. The proof of funds is basically for the Canadian government to know the exact amount of money you have when you come to the country. They don't want you to live on the road. They want you to have a roof over your head, something to eat, where to sleep and all that. You can't come to somebody's country and be sleeping on the road. You might as well stay in your own country then if you are planning to do that. After that, the next thing you want to upload is the proof of admission into the school. Since you told the Canadian government that you're coming to come and school in their country, you always have to show that a school has accepted you, and that's where you will be majority of times when you're in the country and all that. After uploading all the documents, you want to check if all the documents are correct, check everything is correct. Then you want to pay for your application, because what's the point of doing everything if you're not going to pay for it at the end of the day? You want to pay for the application. The application is $150 thereabout. The Canadian government normally processes this for about 3 to 4 weeks or 5 weeks, depending on which country you are from or which type of application that you are submitting. Alright guys, that'll be all. I hope this video helped you guys that are already in the process of applying for the study permit, or those that are about to apply for the study permit. Alright guys, that's all. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. It's down there, it's free, it doesn't cost anything. It won't do anything if you guys just click on it. Thank you in advance, and see you guys in the next one. Judy out. Bye.